On behalf of SMTA, welcome to the inaugural episode of SMT Acronyms and Definitions. I'm Mike Conrad, founder and CEO of Aqueous Technologies and a member of the Global SMTA Board of Directors, where I chair the training committee. I began my career in this industry in 1985. I was just 24 years old. I remember attending my first technical conference and how overwhelmed I was listening to the speakers. It seemed like every other phrase was either an acronym or a term that I didn't understand. Even today, after 37 years in this industry, I still hear terms and acronyms that sound more like foreign languages to me than things that make sense. The SMTA Training Committee is pleased to present SMT Acronyms and Definitions. While many of the acronyms and terms will no doubt be familiar to you, I'm confident there will be plenty of exceptions. We'll be releasing new episodes periodically with guest hosts presenting terms and definitions in order to fill the knowledge void. And it's our hope that you'll find this effort both beneficial and perhaps even entertaining. Each episode will just be a few minutes long, covering 2 or 3 definitions. Let's get started. Since I'm in the cleaning segment of our industry, it makes sense to introduce these terms. Aqueous cleaning, a water-based methodology used to clean post-reflow circuit assemblies, which may include the addition of engineered chemicals such as neutralizers, saponifiers, defoamers, corrosion inhibition agents, surfactants, and other vital ingredients. Dendritic growth, metallic filament growth between conductors in the presence of condensed moisture, conductive residues, and an electrical bias. CAF, conductive anodic filamentation, a type of filament growth that can happen within the layers of the board that may result in failures due to a conductive path being formed between an anode and a cathode. Keep an eye out for future episodes of SMT terms and definitions, and be sure to visit smta.org's training page for valuable training content on numerous subjects. We'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.